प्यारे बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, गुड नाइट. I welcome to the physics online class. I am Mr. Mohan Sir, physics master from Hyderabad. Yeah, let us discuss today's topic is trajectory of the body is parabola. Equation for the parabola. Trajectory of a body is parabola. Let us discuss the parabola concept. Parabola equation. Consider a body projected other than 90 degrees. If a body is projected other than 90 degrees, it travels in the horizontal direction and reaches to the other side of the horizontal surface. If a body is projected at an angle theta, let us consider one angle. The body is projected with an angle theta here. It is making an angle theta less than 90 degrees. So it starts with some initial velocity here. So the velocity is resolved into two components. Along the angle horizontal direction, it is u cos theta. In the vertical direction, its velocity is u sin theta. So its velocity is resolved into two components, x component u cos theta and y component u sin theta. Now it is making an angle theta here. At the highest point, the body reaches to the highest point, its velocity is 0 in the y direction. So if you consider the y direction, the velocity is 0 here. Velocity in the y direction is 0. And acceleration is affected. As the body is going up, its acceleration is affected. So acceleration of the body at this point is affected. Acceleration in the y direction is affected. Now its velocity at this direction is constant. Throughout the journey, the velocity is constant. Acceleration is 0. In the x direction, there is no acceleration. So acceleration of the body is 0. Now, so when a body is projected at an angle theta other than 90 degrees, when a body is projected at an angle theta other than 90 degrees is called projectile. So projectile. The body is projected at an angle less than 90 degrees. Other than 90 degrees, the body reaches to the other surface on the other side of the horizontal surface. So the body is projected at an angle other than 90 degrees. It travels along the horizontal direction. Along the horizontal direction. So distance traveled for the body in the x direction. Let us calculate the distance traveled by the body in the x direction. Distance traveled in x direction. So when you take the x direction, it is u cos theta. You take that x direction, x is equal to its component, horizontal component into time. Distance is equal to horizontal component into time. From here you subtract, take that x value, t value, t is equal to x by u cos theta. Now make it as equation 1. Now distance in the y direction. Distance in y direction. Then y is equal to, it is u sin theta into t minus half gt square. From the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square, in the y direction s is equal to y ut minus acceleration is negative because it is going up. half gt square. Now substitute the t equation 1 in the second equation. Then y is equal to u sin theta. Theta means x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta minus half g t square. T square is x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta whole square. X by u cos theta whole square. Now here u get cancelled. U and u get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So y is equal to, it is tan theta, x is here x minus half g x square u square cos square theta. Here half g, so x square u square cos square theta here. Now when you write this equation, y is equal to tan theta into x minus, take this 2 to the inside of the bracket and take this x square out. So g by 2u square cos square theta into x square into x square. Now take this as tan theta as a. So y is equal to ax minus this one as b function x square. B is the bracket term, g into 2 u square cos square theta is a b and x square. So this equation is resembling, it resembles the equation of a parabola, inverted parabola. Y is equal to ax minus bx square resembles the equation of a parabola. So this is the equation of a parabola. This is the equation of a parabola, inverted parabola. So a is equal to tan theta here and b is equal to g 2 u square cos square theta. B value. A and b are two functions which gives information about the tan theta and g 2 u square cos square theta. Okay children, just make a note of it.